Today, we've got this bike right here. This beautiful bike has been in storage for the last 6 years. It's been in storage for a long time, but it was put away in really good condition. But after sitting for so long, it needs to be rejuvenated and brought back to life. So today in this video, we're gonna give you 10 things to get your bike tuned up and ready to ride. This is going to be a pretty quick list. For more detailed looks at the following 10 things, check out our 10 things to tune up your bike playlist here. 1. Clean and lube the chain. 2. Speaking of cleaning, clean the whole bike. In this case, a quick wipe down will do. 3. Lubricate the cables and housings. 4. Check the wheels for trueness, spoke tension issues, and hub adjustments. 5. Inflate the tires. 6. Mark, remove, clean, and finally, grease the seat post. 7. Check and adjust the shifting if needed. 8. Make sure the brakes are in good working order. 9. Look for any play in the headset. 10. And finally, double check that all the nuts and bolts on the bike are tight. So that was 10 things that you can do to get your bike ready for the riding season. For more tips and tricks like this, like and subscribe to the Park Tool YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.
Beautiful! That's great.
Woo!